Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to create this paint effect or paint photo edit on your mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So first install the Photolab application from the Play Store. Then just open the Photolab application. You will see this is the feed page. Just click on this last category page here. Now click on and just click on the search option on the top. Now you just need to type as purple patch. So just type as purple and also patch. You will see a single filter as I just talking about. Click this and insert the image. So after clicking this, you will see a lot of images on the downside. You can just choose your image that you just need to make as creative. So here I'm just going to choose this image and click on the next option for the pause. After the process, click on this three dot option and click on the save to device and just click on the download option to save this image to the device. You can see how it's look like. It's like a painting filter which is super. It's automatically created using this Photolab application. It's simple, and also I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.